president will meet the Colombian president later today. This is for now his highest-ranking meeting during his 10-day Latin American tour. This is Catalan News in 100 seconds. The Catalan president will tackle cooperation, the Colombian peace process and the bilateral relationships in the meeting. Pere Aragonés is visiting Colombia and his trip will also include stops in Uruguay, where he will meet former leader Pepe Mujica, Argentina and Chile. During his first days in South America, he praised Colombia's identification of armed conflict victims. Barcelona Mayor Ada Colau denied responsibility while testifying before a judge regarding accusations of coercion and breach of official duty. Her office had intended to find an investment fund that had attempted to evict tenants without providing social rents.
Demano al senyor Sánchez que faci costat a la ciutadania, que faci costat als ajuntaments i que aprovi una llei que es va comprometre fa anys a aprovar per aturar l'especulació desbocada.
Over 95% of pre-pandemic passengers are back at the Barcelona airport. 3.1 million people departed from or landed in the Catalan capital in February. A Catalan studio designed the main characters in Mexican director Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio. The movie won the 2023 Oscar for Best Animated Feature Film last night.
Fent una pel·lícula stop motion, això és el que és un petit miracle. Guanyi un Oscar. A la tècnica més tradicional, més arcaica, més artesanal que existeix.
The traditional car rally between Barcelona and Sitges took place this weekend. The vehicles parading included 77 cars dating back to the late 19th century.